Whether it's a person in the background, a car, a logo, or any distracting object, this AI can remove it automatically, and you can do it completely free using Google Flow. In this video, I'll show you exactly how. Before we start, tell me in the comments, what would you remove from a video if you could? Let's get started. First, go to Google Flow. I've added the link in the description. Now sign in with your Google account. Google gives you 50 free credits every day and they refresh daily. So you can keep creating and editing videos for free. Once you're inside, click on New Project. Now click on the tab at the bottom and select Video. From here, choose your aspect ratio, number of outputs and video duration. Next, click on the plus icon, then click on Upload Media. Select the video you want to edit and upload it. Once the upload is complete, select the video and click Add to Prompt. Now comes the interesting part. In the prompt box, simply describe the object you want to remove. For example, remove the person standing in the background, or remove the car parked on the left side, or remove the logo from the wall. For example, let's remove this from this video. The more specific your prompt is, the better the result will be. Once your prompt is ready, click Generate. Google Flow will now process your video. The AI will analyze the scene, remove the object, and fill the missing area automatically. Give it a moment to finish. And here is the result. As you can see, the object has been removed and the video still looks natural. What normally takes professional editing skills can now be done with a simple prompt. To download the video, click on the three dots on the generated video, then click Download. Your edited video will now be saved to your computer. So that's how you can remove unwanted objects from videos for free using Google Flow. Now tell me in the comments, what object would you remove from your videos? If you found this video helpful, do not forget to like and subscribe to Tweak Library for more free AI tool tutorials. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.